Well, had a little issue with the truck last week. Had to emergency open the frunk. So these two wires are hidden in front of the wheel, and you have to hook up a 12-volt source to them. And you have to grab hold of what it does is you got to grab a hold and manhandle that hood up. Once you get it up, then you pop off this panel, and then you've got your two connection points. Once you plug those in, hopefully the truck will have power back. Everything's done with 12 volts. In case you're wondering, you don't need a 48-volt source. So just use a regular 12-volt connector, jump start, whatever. You see here, they're loading it up. And what Tesla said, Tesla had the vehicle for 3 days, and they said it was a software issue. A firmware update had actually messed up my truck so that it had no power. But anyway, it's fixed and it's back now. The good thing was, while I had the vehicle, they gave me a loaner car, which was a Model S, and I'm going to be able to add my thoughts of Model S's soon, which are not good. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe for more. Thanks. If by chance you're still here, this was taken by my wife in our Model 3 after we picked up the vehicle Friday morning, and a pretty cool lightning show that occurred overhead. My truck didn't pick it up very well because of the semi ahead of me. But anyway, thanks for staying around.